internet.
Do you understand that you don't have permission to do this? You don't have permission to do this. I'm telling you right now, you don't have permission to do this. It's not a warrant. A warrant for what? I don't have a warrant. Like, what are you talking about? No, I don't.
We have a search warrant.
No, you don't have a search warrant.
Sometimes, a normal night turns into a viral lesson about law, pride, and timing. In Oak Creek, Wisconsin, a woman found herself face-to-face with a police officer after a speeding chase. What happened next shook the internet for days. Tonight, we'll talk about what really happened with this woman and how it all started. But before we uncover the full story, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more stories.
So you were going 73 and a 45.
You cannot.
You ran a red light.
You cannot contain me, and you cannot touch me in this
speech.
way. Can I make it worse for myself?
Yes, you can.
Really? You're telling me that it's against my right.
It was just another night in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, with empty streets and lights low. On such a mundane night, not every driver was calm or careful. A silver car came speeding through the dark, tearing past the limit as if rules didn't exist. A police cruiser noticed this speeding, and the officer turned to follow. Within seconds, a red light changed everything. The car blew through the intersection and ignored the red traffic signal. This one decision and a few seconds of impulse took to turn a routine patrol into a full-blown pursuit.
Doing? What on earth are you doing? You're going 73 miles an hour back there, and then you just ran the red light.
I was never going 73.
Okay, you were, but it's okay. Do you have your proof of insurance and your driver's license on
I
you?
have my driver's license.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I live.
Where are you coming from?
There were sirens everywhere, tires echoed through empty streets, and Oak Creek's quiet night became chaotic. When the officer caught up, the woman was finally stopped. You're probably thinking, it's the end. But trust me, it's just starting. The woman behind the wheel wasn't in the mood to cooperate. She rolled her window down halfway, eyes locked on the officer, resisting getting arrested. But it seemed she knew her rights and demanded her lawyer.
180, 1080.
I live right there.
But where were you
Yeah, park.
at?
It doesn't matter where it was at, man.
83, AXK 6783.
Proof of insurance, please.
I don't have proof of
Yeah, fine.
insurance, sir.
Who's your insurance company?
I don't have proof of insurance.
What
sir.
company do you have?
I don't have proof of insurance, sir.
All right, wait here. All right, ma'am, so I got a couple questions I want to ask you.
Yes, sir.
Where were you coming from tonight?
I live right down the road.
That's
where I
not-
was coming from, sir.
The next question I have for you, how much alcohol have you had tonight?
None.
You haven't had any?
No.
Not a drop.
No.
Okay. Well, I tend to disagree based off of the odor, slurred speech, your driving behavior. So what I'm going to have you do is just step out for me. Let's go ahead and step out here for me, please. All right, we're going to go right back in front of my car over here. Just hang out right here for a second. All right, do me a favor. Turn around here, face me. Put your feet together just like this. Arms directly down at your side. All right, have any issues with your eyes or anything like that? Any recent head trauma, anything? Okay, put your feet together. Arms at your side. All right, can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Okay, what I want you to do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do not move your head, do you understand?
Okay. Okay. I did do a little test.
Did you not want to finish it?
No, I'm saying I did do a test.
I'm not done. Do you want to finish the test?
Sorry. How long do we have to do this?
Until the tests are completed.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to finish it?
No, actually, I'm so done.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm actually not.
Don't resist. You're under arrest.
Touch
You're under
no.
arrest.
I don't.
For what? For what? Don't
For
touch me
OWI.
like that.
For OWI, you're under arrest.
Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop.
Let go of me right now.
Stop. You're under arrest.
Let go of my arm right now.
Down.
Let go
You're under arrest.
of my arm
down.
right now.
Stop.
All right, don't make this
Stop.
any worse.
Stop.
Just
Are you kidding me right now? Bro, are you kidding me right now?
you need to calm down.
No, we're not doing that.
Oh, we're not doing
Hey,
what?
send
We're not
somebody
doing
else
what?
over here.
Yeah,
Got one under arrest
yeah,
for
please.
5.5, and she just kicked
Please.
68.
I didn't kick anyone.
At first, it seemed like she was just nervous and anxious about the arrest, but as minutes passed, her tone hardened. Every time an officer spoke, she repeated the same line, demanding her lawyers. The officers tried to explain, politely at first. They told her this was a simple traffic stop and asked for her license, registration, and proof of insurance, the basic procedure, but she wasn't willing to cooperate and was convinced that she was being targeted and maybe harassed.
Separate your feet.
No.
Separate your feet.
No. Don't touch me, please. Do not touch me. Let go of me. Let go of me right now.
I'm not going to let go of you. You're under arrest.
For what?
For OWI.
What have I done?
Well, your driving behaviors. So you were going 73 and a 45.
You cannot.
You ran a red light.
You cannot contain me, and you cannot touch me in this way.
Okay.
No. This is against the law.
This
let
isn't
go
against
of
the law.
Me. No, it is.
The only thing against the law here is you operating a motor vehicle impaired.
Let go of me right now. There are 4 men.
Yep, we got a whole bunch of body cams.
No, let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of my body, please, right now. No.
Don't you dare kick me.
What she didn't realize was that the more she resisted, the worse it got. In Wisconsin, once you've run a red light and refused to follow lawful orders, it's not just a ticket anymore, it's resisting. And when you're behind the wheel of a car that just led police on a brief chase, things can escalate fast. From the body cam footage, you can see the tension lurking and the officers doing their best to stay calm. The woman, on the other hand, grows sharper with every second. The officers showed procedure over courtesy, and the law was on their side. But the woman's words were clipped, her tone defensive. She says she knows her rights, that she won't be tricked or intimidated. She wants a lawyer now, but that's not how it works.
No.
Stop acting like a child.
I'm not acting like a child. I want. Don't do that.
You're under arrest. So right now you've got obstruction, you've got assault on a law enforcement officer.
Foot into the car.
No, I'm sorry. What am I under arrest for?
OWI,
No,
assault on a police officer, resisting, obstructing. You want to make it worse?
No.
Put your foot in the car.
Sir, listen to
Bring
me.
your foot
Listen
into
to
the
me
car.
right now, please. I am telling you, you do not have permission to draw blood from my body. Do you understand? Do you understand that you don't have permission to do this? You don't have permission to do this. I'm telling you right now, you don't have permission to do this.
There's one.
Girl, I'm telling you legally.
We're good.
I will. You do not have permission to do this. It's not a warrant. A warrant for what? I don't have a warrant. Like, what are you talking about? No, I don't.
We have a search warrant.
No, you don't have a search warrant out for me. Like, what are you talking about?
Search warrant signed by the judge for your blood.
Are you out of your mind, dude? I can't wait to sue the out of Oak Creek Police. I honestly can't wait to do it.
All right.
Let's just stabilize her.
Let go of me.
Hey, 23, do you want to come over here and help us get this wrap on?
I cannot wait to get my lawyer on your ass.
Only making it worse for yourself.
Oh yeah, I'm making it worse for myself. Oh really? Can I?
Can you what?
The thing about the right to an attorney is that it's one of the most powerful protections under the law, but it applies after you're in custody, not during a basic traffic stop. At that moment, the woman wasn't being interrogated. She was simply asked to cooperate, but she refused to do so. She wasn't defending her rights, but breaking another law in real time. Soon, backups arrived, and the officers gave her every chance to comply. They reminded her of the current situation, explained what they needed, and even tried to reassure her, but nothing changes. She's dug in, locked behind her words, and convinced that asking for her lawyer means the officers must stop everything.
Can I make it worse for myself?
Yes, you can.
Really? You're telling me that it's against my right?
I'm trying to help you.
Because if I could have kicked you in your face outside of my car, I would have. Because you're a loser piece of shit. I hope you go home at night and I hope that you get cancer.
Well, that's not very nice.
I don't care. That's what I hope for you. Honestly, that's my only wish for you.
You have no choice. We have a search warrant for your blood.
You know what's really funny is you're telling me I have no choice, but I do have a choice. Yeah, it's called the law, and I do have a choice.
Yeah, and the law says that we can legally take a sample of your blood, and that's what we're going to do.
The law says that, but honey, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I call my lawyer, please? You're not allowed to technically draw my blood until I call my lawyer.
Yeah, I just wanted to get...
The body cam caught it all, the disbelief on her face, the frustration in her voice, but she kept repeating that she wants her lawyer, even as she's being led away. But now, after the arrest, those words finally mean something. The officers read her Miranda rights, including the lines, "You have the right to an attorney in the Morning County Jail," but she wished to speak to the attorney right at that moment. However, that wasn't possible according to the law. When the video hit YouTube, it exploded overnight. After Patrol Cam Live posted the video, it was only days before millions were talking about the woman who demanded her lawyer. The internet, as usual, is split into two teams. Some said she was brave, standing up for her rights as she should, while others called her entitled, even foolish, for escalating what could have been a minor stop. And that's exactly what makes these viral moments strange. One person's panic becomes another person's entertainment. For viewers, it's just a clip, but for other people, it's real life, messy, and even complicated. The comment sections filled up fast, debating who was right or wrong. The woman at the center of it all wasn't just the headline or a thumbnail. She was the living news. Now, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any updates.
No, that's not a legal document. No, it's not.
Okay. It is signed by a circuit court judge.
Actually, no, a circuit court judge did not sign that document. Can I just say
You
that?
are welcome to contest that in court.
What's the time documented on that signature? Yeah, there's no time? Yeah, because it's a fake signature. Get me the out of this place. Honest to God, get me out of this bitch. Call me lawyer. This is so ridiculous. You gave me a fake document with no sign. There's no timestamp on it.
Annette, you can contact your attorney when we get back to the police station.
No, I'm contacting my attorney right. I wish to speak to my attorney right now.
You will not. Okay.
It is my right.
If you fight with us, you're going to turn your misdemeanor into a felony.
Oh wow,
okay?
that's wild.
So
I actually wish to speak to an attorney right now, immediately.
I understand what you wish, but it will not happen.
I'm not threatened by you.
So
I'm not threatened by a misdemeanor that turns into now suddenly because you said that
the warrant authorizes us to use necessary force in order to take the blood from you.
I'm good.
So we are going to take your blood.
No, you're not going to take my blood.
I'm telling you,
I
am
not giving you permission to take my blood. My legal right. I'm not giving you. Listen, I'm not giving you permission to take my blood.
We don't need your permission. We have a warrant for your blood.
I'm not giving you legal permission to.
And that you will be able to call your attorney in the morning for the Milwaukee County Jail.
No, actually, I do not agree to any of this.
We understand.
I do not agree to any of that.
Your disagreement is noted. Everything is recorded.
I don't think that my disagreement is recorded.
Now, what does the Wisconsin law say? The law in Wisconsin and across the U.S. says that you must show identification during a lawful traffic stop. You must follow an officer's instructions, as long as those instructions are written under the law. And while you always have the right to remain silent, that doesn't mean you can refuse to identify yourself or simply drive away. If the police ask for your license and registration, it's only understandable that you're not being interrogated. They're enforcing road laws. Your right to a lawyer begins once you're taken into custody or questioned in a criminal context. That's where Miranda rights kick in. Before that point, demanding a lawyer mid-stop doesn't protect you. It just delays and complicates everything else. So, in this case, her damage wasn't technically wrong, but was misplaced. She used just the right phrase at the wrong time, and that mistake turned a speeding ticket into a night in jail.
I'm asking for my attorney.
Your blood signed by
I asked for an attorney.
You can have an attorney. You will have an attorney just
I asked for an attorney right now.
Do you have anything on you that I don't know about? Anything in your bra, anything like that? Okay. Because you are going to go down to county tonight, and they have body scanners, and if they see that, if you have anything that you're not telling me about, then that's a charge down there.
Why would you send me to county?
Well, because this is a third OWI.
No, it's not.
Well, it is.
Beyond laws and rights, this story also says something about people, about how pride and fear can clash when the flashing lights hit your mirror. Think about it. You're alone, driving at night, with adrenaline pumping, heart racing, and suddenly an officer's at your window. For some, it's more than enough to panic. For others, it's about control. Maybe she truly believed she was standing up for herself, or maybe, in that moment, she didn't just want to fear like she had no control. Either way, the camera doesn't lie. You can see the frustration in her face and the officer's fatigue. Two sides of a conversation that never found a common ground. And if you strip away the drama, this isn't the story about one woman. It actually tells us a lot about misunderstandings and how knowing half the law law can be just as dangerous as not knowing it at all. She wasn't evil, and the officers weren't cruel either. It was just a human moment spiraling under pressure.
Do you have any pockets or anything? No pockets? Is there anything in your bra? No, nothing in your bra? Okay.
Oh.
Let's turn around. We're gonna face that gray dome up there. It's another camera.
Please don't do this.
Well, I don't have a choice, so face that gray dome. That's a camera. Okay, separate your feet for me, please.
I'm not on a third DUI. I'm not on a third DUI. So why are you doing this?
Well, because it is a third. Okay,
No,
so
it's not.
here's what I'm
No,
gonna.
I don't have a third DUI.
Here's what I'm gonna ask you. Okay, if we take these handcuffs off, are you gonna fight us or anything like that?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll have a seat right here on this stool. I'm gonna take the handcuffs off. Are you right or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay, then I'm gonna have to hook your left hand up here and we'll let you call your mom.
So, who's the woman in the viral video? She's Annette Ortiz, age about 33 or 34, arrested in Milwaukee County for OI and resisting an officer. The arrest date has appeared in the public record aggregators as September 2024. What happens in those cases is that once you're booked in Milwaukee County Jail, your case moves through the county court system. OWI is a third offense, and it's considered a serious crime under Wisconsin law. Its penalties can be steep. OWI brings mandatory jail time for 45 days to 1 year in county jail. Once Ortiz was taken into custody, she was processing what had just happened. The officers completed the field sobriety tests and processed her through the standard OWI procedures. In Wisconsin, when someone is arrested for an OWI, they're usually transported to a nearby facility for chemical testing. Refusing to be tested under the state's implied consent law automatically triggers more penalties like license suspension, even before conviction. For Ortiz, the refusal to comply early in the stop didn't help her case at all. Instead, the official charges were filed, and she had to pay a $1,800 penalty for speeding. Court documents show that she faced a third OWI offense, which means that night, her actions didn't just go viral, they had real legal consequences. Her arrest became a reminder that every decision in those tense moments can lead to something tragic. Cases like Ortiz usually take months to move through the court system. After the initial booking, there's an arraignment hearing where the accused enters a plea. If it's not guilty, the case proceeds to pretrial conferences. During that time, defense attorneys try to negotiate plea deals and aim to reduce jail time or convert it to probation with stricter conditions. Publicly available data suggests that repeat OWI offenders rarely get full leniency. The courts in Wisconsin are renowned for taking these offenses seriously due to the risks involved with drunk driving. Judges often emphasize accountability, not just for punishment, but as a deterrent. And that's part of what made the viral video resonate so widely. Viewers could watch how quickly an everyday person could end up in a legal spiral just from misunderstanding the process. Such incidents serve as reminders of how communication between citizens and law enforcement can break down under stress. What starts as a misunderstanding can escalate when emotion and fear take over. That's what made this particular incident so human. Two sides locked in tension, both believing they were right. It's a lesson about knowing the law beyond just headlines. Knowing your rights isn't enough in 2025. You need to know when and how to apply them. For example, you have every right to remain silent, but you still must identify yourself to an officer when lawfully stopped. You can refuse searches, but only within certain limits. It's not defiance that protects you, but understanding. Now, as the dust settled on the story, legal commentators began highlighting a broader issue: how viral policing videos shape public opinion about justice. Every video clip only shows a few minutes, but in real time, investigations, charges, and trials take months, and sometimes even years. Viewers rarely get to see the entire picture of a case, and context often gets lost in the chaos. In Ortiz's case, the video was clipped and circulated, and her name became attached to hundreds of memes and reactions. For her, this wasn't just an arrest anymore. It was a digital identity, a moment she could never fully take back. And that's the new reality of modern policing. Everything can be recorded, anywhere and anytime. If you watch the video closely, you might have noticed how the woman's intent wasn't evil, but human. The officer's patience wasn't evil either. They were just performing their duties. And maybe that's what makes this story linger. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such stories. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more.